welcome to our new session. Today we are going to start our foundation course semester 2's first unit, that is globalization of Indian society. First of all, let me tell you that foundation course syllabus is same for all the streams, that is for arts, commerce and for management students. For everybody we are having the same syllabus. So today we'll start up with the globalization of Indian society. Okay, as you can see that I have this PDF copy along with me, so if you have it you can refer the same. Okay, so that you and me, we will be on the same page and you will be able to understand what I am teaching and how am I teaching. So let's start our first topic, that is globalization of Indian society. In this particular lecture or in this particular session, I'm just going to introduce how many topics are there in unit 1 that we are going to study. So in globalization of Indian society or globalization and Indian society, the first topic is understanding the concept of liberalization, privatization and globalization. Okay, here it is, I think just a printing mistakes, a G is missing, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization. This is the first topic. See, I'm going to teach you in English language, but I know that many of our audience is from vernacular language, so I will in between I'll try to explain you in Hindi as well as in Marathi. So see, first is liberalization. As the name itself suggests, liberty, that is freedom. So here we will study what is liberalization. Second topic is privatization, that is exactly opposite to liberalization. Fine. And the third one is globalization, the one thing, the company, the organization, the thing, the policy which is globalized, which is considered same globally. How, what, where, that we'll study in brief later when we'll start this topic. Okay, the second one is growth of information technology and communication and its impact manifested in everyday life. Okay, very big name, no? So we'll study what it is in detail. Growth of information technology, growth of IT. As you know that we all are living in a technological world, so IT, information technology field, is very much important. So here we'll study how its growth is happening. Along with this we'll study communication. Okay, communication is also important, so we'll study the importance of communication. And the third one, its impact manifested in everyday's life. Are you understanding what we'll study in this topic? The importance of IT and communication in our day-to-day life, in short. Got it? Perfect. Now third one, impact of globalization on industry. Here we'll study everything about the industries. Okay, like we have studied in our 11th and 12th syllabus also, but here we'll study the impact globally how the industrialization has been affected or impacted, that we'll study. The next one, changes in employment and increasing migration. Yes, we all know now that in 11th and 12th also we studied the problem of unemployment, population, right? So this term is not new to us, no? This is the common term. We'll study the changes in employment. Fine. And increasing migration. Increasing migration means people are migrating from one city to another city. People are migrating from one nation to another nation for earning source. How, when, where, that we'll study in this chapter. And the next one, changes in agrarian sector due to globalization. Agrarian sector means agricultural sector. Agricultural sector's impact and importance, elements, how it has been changed, all these things we'll study in this unit. And the last one, rise in corporate farming and increasing farmers suicide. Okay, this is the very important part that we are going to study in this last topic. Okay, so this is all our unit 1, And what about unit 2, unit 3, unit 4? That will study later on. So in this particular session, in this particular topic, I just explained you how many and what are the topics that we are going to study in unit 1. Okay, got it? If you have any queries or suggestions, then please let me know in comment box. uh, in our second lecture, we'll start up with the concept of liberalization, privatization and globalization. Okay, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel so that you will get the notification and you will not miss our any of our lesson. Fine. Fine. Bye bye.